Apply now allows mobile users the ability to create batch printing when connected with a Brother mobile printer. Once you've opened the screen, we're going to head over to our catalog. And I'm going to scroll down to our warehouses here and open up a warehouse. Once the warehouse is loaded, you'll see that we have 3 new dots on each of the material cells here. And when you hard press on those materials, it will then select that material to take action. You can scroll down to select a number of items here. When you click on the 3 dots again, you'll be provided with a number of options. First, you can create an RFQ, you can transfer, and today we're going to print bulk barcodes. When I click bulk barcodes, it's going to show me a screen that has the list of materials that I'd like to print with my Brother mobile printer. You can select the barcode that you wish to print from. You can select the number of copies, or you can delete the item if you do not want to print that item anymore. Once you're ready and prepared to print, you're going to click print, and you'll be able to see that there is a button below that says print for materials and 7 labels. And upon clicking that, your Brother mobile printer will then receive the request to print and begin printing off one by one those labels. A couple things to keep in mind here. Make sure that you do not close the Apply application while the printing has begun. This will cancel out the printing request to the printer, and you'll be left with the ability to not have those labels be printed. Additionally, try not to print 100 labels at a time. Sometimes it will overload the printer. It does handle 100 or more at a time, but in some cases, depending on your device and the age of the device, it may crash the app. So just be a little reasonable when printing off bulk barcodes. A couple helpful tips with this, if you are printing off a large number of barcodes, is you can use filters and tags to be able to know which items that you have already printed, or you can create a folder to then print off in bulk items as well in batches. Let us know if you have any questions about printing labels in batches from your Brother mobile printer.